This is a first experiment for the cycle drum project. I've built a patch in Pure Data connected to FM8, and I built a drum pad with a piezo disc and brass disc glued to it and a silicon top. This is connected to an Arduino, and the connection goes to the laptop where Pure Data reads the signal from the Arduino. So what I did here, this is the test patch from the Arduino formatter, and from that I did this small part of the patch, which is a threshold for the signal, which is going to basically read only after an intensity that I can program. So depending on the strength that I hit the drum, I get different velocities of the sound.